Hello everyone, welcome back to our Italy series. We have planned for 2 days to explore Florence, Pisa and Cinque Terre. We arrived in Florence from Rome after a journey of 4 hours via Flixbus. First day we had planned to explore Florence, but it was raining. So we started our exploration in the evening and visited Duomo di Florence and city center by using the AT bus app. This bus app helped us to buy tickets and plan our journey. You can also use Google Maps for public transport. This cathedral's intricate marble facade and ornate bell tower make it a true symbol of Florence's cultural heritage. Be sure to capture the intricate details and amazing views from every angle. And we ended our day 1 with a delicious dinner at an Indian restaurant. We started our day 2 with a train ride to Pisa from Florence. After reaching Pisa, we took a bus to reach the Leaning Tower by using the same AT bus app. Or you can reach by walking as it is not that far from the railway station. As we approach, we can't help but be amazed by its unique tilt, which has made it a world-famous symbol. Let's see if we can get the perfect angle to capture the classic holding up the tower pose. But the Leaning Tower is not the only marvel in this square. Look around and you will find the Pisa Cathedral, the Baptistery of Pisa, and the Compostano Monumentale, each showcasing incredible architecture and rich history. We started walking towards railway station to catch our train at 1 p.m. to Cinque Terre. And that is a great way to see the town of Pisa. We boarded our train, which took us along a scenic route to the spectacular Cinque Terre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site consisting of 5 charming coastal villages. After reaching the station of La Spezia Centrale, we bought the train passes which will allow us for the unlimited train journeys through all 5 villages in Cinque Terre. The details will be provided in the description box. Our first stop was Vernazza, often considered the jewel of Cinque Terre. This picturesque village is a postcard-perfect destination with its vibrant buildings, picturesque harbour, and the dramatic cliffside setting. We went up a staircase to start a small hike to reach a viewpoint, and it goes via a checkpoint with an entry fee. But for us, it was included in our pass. We took a lot of pictures and stayed there for some time to admire the beauty of the village. We took a stroll through the narrow streets of Vernazza, where you will find charming shops, inviting cafes, and local artisans. We had our lunch in this village as it is a perfect place to savor some traditional Ligurian cuisine such as pesto pasta. Our next destination is Monterosso al Mare, the largest village in Cinque Terre and home to awe-inspiring beaches. Take a moment to feel the soft sand beneath your feet and listen to the soothing rhythm of the waves. Monterosso offers a harmonious blend of natural beauty, rich history, and a vibrant atmosphere. It's no wonder visitors fall in love with this coastal paradise. Our next destination is Manarola, known for its postcard-perfect beauty. The vibrant color of the buildings, the charming harbour, and the dramatic cliffside settings create a truly magical atmosphere. Don't miss the opportunity to capture the iconic view of Manarola from the top of the hill. It's the perfect spot to take fabulous photos and immerse yourself in the unique charm of the village. Our journey ended in Riomaggiore, the southernmost village of Cinque Terre. A perfect spot to take breathtaking photos and immerse yourself in the unique charm of this village. And that brings us to the end of our incredible journey through the beautiful Cinque Terre. And it's time for us to head back to Florence. And just when we think the journey couldn't get any more magical, nature gifts us with the rainbow. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any query. Join us in our next video as we continue on our Italy series to Milan. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.